Hi everybody, this is Farmer 164th here, and today I'm going to review this Greenlight Ford F350 ramp truck. It's from the Hobby Exclusive line, and this is a new casting for 2017. So let's get right into the review. First we have this small truck driver. He has the Ford logo on his shirt and on his cap. He has a little notepad in his hand. Nothing in the back. A really nice figure. And then here's the truck itself. Has a nice color on it. It's like light aqua. Says GL Towing on the side. Has the Ford logo right there. Here's the bed. There's like a metallic finish. There's a winch right there. And it does have folding ramps, so you could load something on, like a skid steer. And you have a construction truck, or whatever you want to use it for. And then here's the other side. It's exactly the same. Then here's the front of it. And the hood does open. So here's the engine. Pretty simple, but that's okay. Has tow mirrors. And then let's compare it to a Ertl F350. And here is a Ertl F350, and the cab is kind of small compared to it. And then here's the front. And that is it for my review. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again.